All right, Brandon here again. We're in the greenhouse today. We are going to plant a tray. Super basic. We've got some Serrano seeds, some Serrano pepper seeds that we're going to plant. I've got a bunch of other starts going here. It's mid-March, so it's about that time to get our veggie garden going. But yeah, I just went to Walmart, picked up one of these. Don't love supporting Walmart, but these are literally half the price of everywhere else I go. They're about $4 something at Walmart and $10. So, kind of have to make that choice. It's all right. And then I've got some of the Jiffy organic seed start mix. It's a little bit of a finer soil, so it's better for seed starts and giving them a little bit of an easier time poking through. But first, let's crack a beer. Today we've got Lagunitas something easy ale. It's an IPA. Let's see what the percentage is here. I think it's like 7 something. 5.7 actually. It's a little bit easier. Cool looking can. Pretty good. I like it. It's not crazy hoppy, so if you're not into hops as much, then definitely give it a try. But I wouldn't say it's as light as, like, you know, the Sierra Nevada or something like that. Pretty good. Alright, anyway, let's get started here. I can tell the soil is pretty dry, which means it might take a minute for it to rehydrate. It might be a little hydrophobic in the beginning. That's all right. Just gotta make sure it fully gets wet before you actually put the seeds in. See what I mean? Yeah, so it's very hydrophobic right now. It's going to take a minute before this water soaks in. You can see how the water isn't really doing much. It's kind of just sitting. It's going through some. There you go. Maybe not as bad as I thought. It's pretty good. Definitely a little bit of accumulation, but not too much so that it's soggy, pooling or puddling. Probably going to be plenty. So that was the third time I did that. So one of the last ones that's pooling, which I like these three here. After they're done, you can poke your finger in there. Let's see. Just a tester. And yeah, it's wet. All the way. Good. Right. See, this one is not. See how when you pick it, you can see. I'll go ahead and poke a tiny little divot. Not even really that deep at all. Maybe the depth of an eraser of a pencil. I'm going to go as deep as the seed itself is wide. So the tinier the seed, the less depth. Just making the little divots with my finger about the size of the eraser. Got here Serranos. They're really small seeds, so pretty much just put them underneath the surface, just barely. I put at least 2 or 3 in each little pocket, but don't worship it, just go quick. Alright, that was nothing special, super simple. Just planting 1 tray of the Serrano peppers, but just to give you an idea how we do it here. I'm sure there's tons of videos that are very similar. You honestly, I don't know if I would say you pretty much can't do anything wrong, unless it's, something that's too wet or too dry. Alright, I had a good time. Today was fun. Planting 1 tray, again, it's super simple, but I appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, you know the deal, everything. Appreciate you. Till next time.
My sweet baby. Poop on me.